Lina, why are you walking slowly today?
I don't know, Mom. My foot feels strange.
Strange? Show me your shoe.
Look here. The bottom is coming out.
Oh no, the sole is broken.
When I walk, it opens like a mouth.
That must hurt your feet.
Yes, it hurts a little with every step.
Since when is it like this?
From yesterday evening.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I didn't want to trouble you.
Oh, Lina, you are never a trouble.
Really, Mom?
Of course. You are my little helper.
But today I cannot walk properly.
Then today we will buy new shoes.
Today? Not tomorrow?
Yes, today. Your comfort is important.
I am so happy to hear that.
First, finish your breakfast.
I will eat fast like a rabbit.
Go wear clean socks.
The white ones or the blue ones?
White ones look nice. Good. Soft socks protect your feet.
Mom, should I wear my pink dress?
Yes, that dress is very pretty.
I want to look nice in the shop.
Why?
Maybe the shoes will like me too.
Shoes don't choose people.
Maybe they do.
Comb your hair now.
Can you make 2 ponytails?
Sure, stay still.
Am I ready now?
Yes, you look smart and cute. Let's go quickly.
I am excited. Mom, will we take the bus or walk?
We will walk. The market is nearby.
Good. I want fresh air.
Hold my hand while crossing the road.
Okay, safety first.
Look at the sky. It's bright today.
Yes, it feels like a happy day.
Maybe the day knows you are getting new shoes.
Mom, you are funny.
And you are smiling a lot.
Because I feel special today.
Hello! Welcome to our shop.
Hello. We need shoes for my daughter.
School shoes or casual shoes?
Casual shoes for daily use.
I want something colorful and soft.
We have many new designs.
Wow, so many shelves.
Don't touch everything, Lina. Sorry, I just want to see.
No problem. Kids are always curious.
Please measure her feet first.
Stand here, little one.
It tickles when you touch my foot.
Done. Size 4.
Yay!
Thank you. Show us size 4 shoes.
Here you go. Pink, blue, and gray.
They all look beautiful. How do I choose?
Try the pink pair first.
Okay, too silly.
Walk slowly.
It feels tight near my toes.
Then it's not comfortable. Remove it.
Try this blue pair. It is softer.
Oh, this feels better.
Walk around the shop.
I can walk easily now.
Can you jump?
Yes, look at me!
Don't jump too high.
Sorry, I'm just excited.
Comfort is most important.
Yes, she plays a lot. She needs strong shoes.
Mom, look at this yellow one. It's very bright.
Do you like bright colors?
Yes, they make me happy.
Then try it.
Wow, these feel very light, like clouds.
Which one do you like most?
This yellow pair. I love it the most.
Are you sure about this pair?
Yes, Mom. My feet feel free.
Good. We will take this one.
Nice choice. Kids love this model.
Please pack it.
Can I wear them now?
Of course.
Bye-bye, old shoes. Thank you for helping me before.
You really talk to your shoes?
Yes, they worked hard for me.
That's very sweet of you.
Okay, ma'am. I will pack these shoes for you.
Thank you. Please put them in a small box.
Yay, shoes! Mom, can I hold the box?
Yes, but hold it carefully.
Don't worry, I will not drop it.
The total price is 850 rupees.
Mom, what is total price?
It means the full money we must pay.
Thank you. You can pay by cash or card.
I will pay by cash.
Mom, can I give the money to Uncle?
Of course, it's good to learn. Here, take these notes. Count them slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 500.
Good. Now add 300 more.
6, 7, 850.
Perfect. Give it to him.
Thank you.
Uncle, here is the money.
Thank you, little one. Very smart counting.
Thank you. I am learning math at school.
Here is your bill and receipt.
Mom, what is a receipt?
It is a paper that shows we paid the money.
Oh, like proof?
Yes, exactly.
And here is 5 rupees change.
Change means extra money back, right?
Yes. When we give more, they return the balance.
Shopping is like a math class.
Haha, yes. Life teaches us many things.
Enjoy the new shoes. Walk happily.
I will. Thank you, Uncle. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am.
Mom, these shoes feel so comfortable.
I'm happy your feet don't hurt now.
I can walk fast and easy.
Good shoes protect your health.
Thank you for buying them for me.
You don't need to thank me. I'm your mom.
Still, I feel lucky.
Seeing you happy makes me happy.
Can we walk slowly? I want to enjoy this moment.
Sure. Let's walk slowly together.
Today is a simple day, but very special.
Yes. Small things bring big smiles.
New shoes and time with Mom.
That's the best gift.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Lina. You know, even a small day like today can teach many simple lessons. Today, Lina and I went to the market to buy new shoes. We talked to the shopkeeper, asked the price, checked the size, and paid the bill together. Buying shoes is not only about shopping. It is about learning how to speak, ask questions, and make choices. When you learn English, it is the same. You don't need big or difficult words. You just need small daily conversations. Simple sentences. Simple practice. Step by step, your English will improve. Just like Lina walking happily in her new shoes. So listen carefully. Repeat the dialogues. Practice these sentences in your daily life. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. This is Beginner English Zone, where we learn English through real life, simple conversations, and everyday moments. See you in the next story.